Hi everybody, Mike here at Rip Daddy TV. We're heading out in the middle of a hurricane, Hurricane Dorian, September 7th, 2019. With me and little Mikey. Say hi, Mikey.
Hi.
We're going for a little hurricane walk, trying not to get hit by any branches. I think we're getting close to the eye of the hurricane now, so it's not quite as windy as it was earlier, or rainy. So we're getting out for a little walk time. Micah was going a little stir crazy, cabin crazy in the house. We didn't lose power though, like most people.
Power stir.
I'd like to go for a drive, but anyways, this is far enough. So this is Hurricane Dorian.
What?
Sure. It's a little windy out.
Not a little.
Trees are blowing.
The water's going up the hill.
Make sure you watch what you're pointing at.
See, the water's going up.
Whoa, that was close. Almost blew me away. Hey, there you are. How you doing? Let's go. Alright, well let's go check out the pond, see how it's doing. Whoa.
Ah!
Oh. All the poor leaves. All the poor leaves. What? Where are we going? Whoa! Yeah, that one didn't make it. Alright, let's go check out the pond. Middle of the hurricane. The sunflower's still standing. Thank God. For some reason. Oh, there goes the fire truck. Somebody's having an emergency. Let's see how the fish are doing.
What's this guy?
Oh yeah, we got more water now. The basil's in the drink. We'll save him. We'll save him. Oh, we might have a casualty. No, he's not dead, you silly bird.
Oh, I saw it.
The frog is somewhere. Mr. Froggington. Step into the forest. Say cheese. How you doing? Go up and say hi to Mr. Sunflower. Oh. Alright. That's enough walking in the hurricane for right now. Stay ripped. Hopefully this tree didn't just land on my car. Oh, there's my car there. That's my car. That's the tree. Woo! Terrible apartment, I guess you'd say. Oh, this was a nice tree. Snapped her. Good place to find antiques as well. Under a tree. Oh well, there goes that tree. Okay, we'll go for a drive later. There'll be all kinds like that. I don't want to get out in the middle of Hurricane Dorian. Rip Daddy TV. As Frankie McDonald would say, be prepared. Get your storm chips. Woo. Watch for branches. Here we go back in the yard. Sunflower's still there. Right in the midst of Hurricane Dorian. Just lost the power. Oh well. No Netflix. I was gonna go for a drive, but according to everybody's Facebook, it's not very nice out there, so that's the only big tree I see down in my neighborhood. I almost hit my car. My poor sunflower. Not doing too well. Oh, look. Mary Jane's all bent over too. I'll have to fix her later. Well, the rain has stopped for a little bit. Looks like the hurricane's just blowing through. It was pouring bad a little bit, like terrible. The pond is overflowing. A couple inches in the last 2 hours. Not really too bad yet. I haven't drove around the city to see if they were any bad. Holy jeez, look at the extra water in that. That's at least a couple inches in the last 2 hours. Oh, the old basil fell in. He's taking a scuba dive. Hopefully Mr. Froggington's in there. Somewhere, anywheres. The old sunflower's staying put. Little bugs on there. Stuck on there. That's a sunflower riding the wind. Anyways, I'm going back in the house. This is gross. I'm gonna go